Reducing your legal exposure when renting your property as a VRBO. To protect your assets and peace of mind when operating a VRBO, you must approach the venture as a formal business rather than a casual hobby. Legal exposure in short-term rentals often stems from guest injuries, property damage, or violations of local ordinances. By implementing a multi-layered strategy involving legal structuring, specialized insurance, and rigorous guest screening, you can significantly mitigate these risks. The following overview outlines some of the essential steps that you seriously consider implementing to safeguarding your interests. 1. Establish a formal business entity. Operating your rental through a legal entity, such as a limited liability company, LLC, in the United States, or a corporation in other countries, is a primary defense for personal asset protection. If a guest sues the entity, your personal savings, vehicles, and primary residence are generally shielded from legal judgments. It is crucial to maintain a strict separation between your personal and business finances to avoid piercing the corporate veil. Consult with a legal professional to ensure your LLC is properly registered and compliant with state-specific regulations. This structural barrier is the foundation of a robust risk management plan. 2. Secure specialized short-term rental insurance. Standard homeowners insurance policies typically exclude coverage for commercial activities like short-term rentals. You must obtain a specialized policy that specifically covers business use of the property and provides high-limit liability protection. These policies often include coverage for unique risks, such as guest-caused damage, theft, and loss of rental income due to a covered peril. Review the policy details carefully to ensure there are no gaps regarding amenities like pools or hot tubs. Relying on the basic liability protection offered by VRBO platforms alone is often insufficient for comprehensive coverage. 3. Draft a comprehensive rental agreement. While VRBO provides a platform for booking, a separate, legally binding rental agreement signed by the guest offers an extra layer of protection. This document should clearly outline your house rules, occupancy limits, and specific liability waivers for high-risk areas. It should also state your policies regarding pets, smoking, and quiet hours to provide a legal basis for eviction if necessary. By having guests sign this contract, you establish clear expectations and create a documented meeting of the minds. Store these signed agreements digitally for easy retrieval in the event of a dispute. 4. Ensure strict compliance with local laws. Local municipalities have become increasingly strict regarding short-term rental permits, zoning, and safety inspections. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in heavy fines or the forced closure of your rental operation. Research your local ordinances to determine if you need a specific business license or if there are limits on the number of days you can rent. Additionally, ensure you are correctly collecting and remitting any required occupancy or lodging taxes. Staying on the right side of the law prevents administrative legal battles before they begin. 5. Prioritize property safety and maintenance. A well-maintained property is less likely to become the site of an accident that leads to a personal injury lawsuit. Conduct regular safety inspections to check for loose floorboards, faulty wiring, or slippery surfaces near entrances. Ensure that smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, and fire extinguishers are present and fully functional at all times. Documenting your maintenance schedule provides evidence of due care should a guest claim negligence following an injury. Proactive repairs are significantly less expensive than the legal fees associated with a slip and fall claim. 6. Implement rigorous guest screening. Preventing problematic guests from entering your property is an effective way to avoid damage and legal headaches. Utilize VRBO's communication tools to ask questions about the nature of the stay and the number of guests expected. Look for red flags, such as a history of poor reviews from other hosts or a refusal to provide a government-issued ID. While you must adhere to fair housing laws and avoid discrimination, you have the right to decline bookings that violate your stated policies. A cautious approach to booking can save you from the stress of dealing with party houses. 7. Install security and monitoring devices. Smart home technology can serve as a silent witness and a deterrent for unauthorized behavior. Outdoor security cameras or doorbell cameras help monitor occupancy and ensure that no unauthorized events are taking place. Noise monitoring devices can alert you if sound levels exceed a certain threshold, allowing you to intervene before neighbors call the police. It is vital to disclose all surveillance devices in your listing and ensure they are never placed in private areas like bedrooms or bathrooms. These tools provide the objective data needed to support your claims during a conflict. 9. Document everything for dispute resolution. In the event of a legal claim or a damage dispute, documentation is your most powerful ally. Take high-resolution photos and videos of the property before and after every guest stay to verify its condition. Keep a detailed log of all guest communications and any incidents that occur during their stay. If a guest violates a rule, document the breach immediately and take photos if applicable. Having a clear paper trail makes it much easier to win a security deposit dispute or defend yourself in a court of law. We welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos about real estate, investing, and business. Thank you.